So I thought I'd do a really simple soup. It's a pear soup, which is a tonic soup. 其實我哋廣東人呢，其實成日都飲呢個湯。我媽咪由細到大都會煲，譬如對於喉嚨啊、少少感冒啊、少少攰啊、捱間底夜啊，係啊，捱間底夜呢都係一個好好嘅簡單而好有用嘅湯嚟㗎咯。咁不如我哋試下做一個 Chinese 嘅 pear soup. We'll give it a try because it's actually really easy to do. 咁大家睇到咧，頭先咧就有啲豬肉啦，咁我哋飛咗水之後咧，咁我哋處理嗰個雪梨 ，OK，so 批咗先啦。咁呢啲雪梨咧就媽咪攞嘅。其實咁我覺得呢個湯咧好好嘅 because 咧喉嚨痛啊，有少少咳啊、感冒啊、轉天氣啊，同埋佢哋咧就話咧好熱咧。其實係一個 cooling 咧，所謂英文係一個 cooling tonic soup 嚟嘅。咁我唔知道中文同英文有咩分別，即係總言之咧，好味啦，因為我知道大家都知道我小碧兒好中意飲湯嘅 ，OK？So any type of soup 咧，I really like. So we're just taking off the skin first. 咁咧批完之後咧，其實咧你 cut 咗佢啦，一半啦，小心啲 ，OK？Cut it in half, cut out the stem and the core, put it into wedges, and then put it into the soup. Now the big pot here is we've got it going because we already boiled the pork. Remember how you boil the pork? You gotta boil the blood away, take that water away because that would be dirty water. Okay, so this soup is good to have all year round. 其實你全年都可以飲到呢個湯。通常捱夜啊，自己瞓唔夠咧，食得唔好啊，唞得唔好咧，呢個湯好好嘅。So we're just cutting these into wedges, and then cutting out the cores and the stems. And then we're going to add them into the soup. The pork has been boiled already, the pork bones, they've been put in there. And we've got the nuts and the sweet date and the wolfberries already. So, there you go. Put them all in. Ta-da! Okay, 大家睇到呢啲咧，全部擺晒入去嘅。呢啲啦 ，wolfberry 係咪？杞子啊，然之後呢啲 sweet date 啦，再加埋南杏北杏 ，right? I actually don't really know the names of these in English. My mom used to put them on into everything. So we put everything in there, and because I put it in a slow cooker, 我喺呢個咧，咁你唔使睇住啲火，咁就你可以煲2個鐘頭都得，之後咧好入味啦。同埋呢個全年都可以飲得到嘅 ，OK？ 好簡單 ，a very easy soup that you can have all year round. Great for the throat, great for what they call, when you're too hot, and it's a tonic soup, OK? Classic Chinese, give it a try.